In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export project to Google Sheet in Smartsheet. We'll walk through this from start to finish, so even if you're new to Smartsheet or Google Sheets, you'll be able to follow along easily. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a project that lives in Smartsheet and turn it into a Google Sheet that you can share, analyze, or use alongside your other Google Workspace files. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and that you know which project you want to export. In Smartsheet, your work is usually organized into workspaces and sheets. Start by navigating to the workspace where your project is stored. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of workspaces and folders. Click through until you find the specific sheet or project you want to export. Once you've located the correct project, click on it to open it. You should now see your familiar grid or project view with all your columns, rows, and data. Take a quick moment to confirm that this is indeed the sheet you want to send to Google Sheets. If necessary, you may want to clean up any test rows or unused columns so that what you export is clear and ready to use. Now that the project is open, look toward the top of the Smartsheet interface for the toolbar. There you'll see an option labeled Actions. This is where Smartsheet groups many of the commands you can perform on your sheet. Go ahead and click on Actions. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your sheet. In that drop-down, look for the option that says Export to Google Sheet. The wording may be very close to that, and it sits alongside other export options like exporting to Excel or PDF. Click on Export to Google Sheet. At this point, Smartsheet may briefly process your request. The first time you do this, you may be asked to connect or authorize your Google account. If that happens, just follow the on-screen prompts to sign in and grant permission. Once the export is complete, Smartsheet will create a new Google Sheet version of your project. Typically, this new file will appear in your Google Drive, often in the main My Drive area, unless you choose a specific folder during the process. Open your Google Drive in a new tab, locate the exported sheet, and open it to confirm everything looks correct. Your columns, rows, and data from Smartsheet should now be available in Google Sheets, ready for sharing, additional formatting, or further analysis.